Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video of mine. This is Juliana. I welcome you today to my channel. If you're joining me for the very first time, you're most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome to you once again. So today we're making pawpaw smoothie. Yeah, we're making pawpaw smoothie. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, so I decided to do it today. You can see me peeling the pawpaw. This is ripe pawpaw, well ripe pawpaw I'm using today for my pawpaw smoothie. I already washed the pawpaw and right now I'm peeling it, and after peeling the pawpaw, I'm just gonna cut the pawpaw like you just see me doing right now. I'm cutting it into 4 parts, and I'm taking out the seed of the pawpaw. Definitely we're not blending it with the seed, so I'm trying to take out the entire seed, making sure there's no seed in the pawpaw. So that's what you just see me doing right now. Take out the seed, put it in the plate. I'm ready to cut it into cube, but I'm still taking out the seed. Haven't done taking out the seed yet. By the way, if you have any choice of smoothie you want me to make next time, just let me know in the comment section. Comment on the comment section. I want you to make mango smoothie, or I want you to make pear smoothie. Whatever smoothie of your choice you want me to make, I want you to put that in the comment section, and I'll definitely be doing that. So I just finished. I'm peeling the pawpaw right now. I'm cutting the pawpaw into cube so I could put it in the blender and blend it until it's smooth.
They holler me Mr. Casey. I hustle hard for my Joby. I turn around, people know me. I know you know me. I wanna dance like Jackson. They holler me Mr. Casey. Yeah. I hustle hard for my Joby. I turn around, people know me. I know you know me. This love is sweet but wicked. This life is sweet but wicked. Big flair to spend on weekend. I'm addicted, I make a difference. This love is sweet but wicked. This life is sweet but wicked. Big flair to spend on weekend. I'm addicted, I make a difference. This love is sweet but wicked. If you
So here I'm blending it. I just finished putting the pawpaw in the cup, and right now I'm blending the pawpaw. I'll blend it until it is soft, until it is smooth, no lumps, and totally smooth. That's just what I'm doing right now.
You know they see everybody they front face.
So showing it to you guys, see how smooth it is. Yeah, our pawpaw is blended and is apparently very smooth. So I'm just pouring in the milk.
No hard feelings for this place. Your body bad, you know. You do me bad, you know.
I'll blend everything together. So I'm putting in the condensed milk. Yeah, a tablespoon of condensed milk is what I use today for the smoothie. We don't want it to be too smooth, too sweet, I mean to say. So that is why I just put 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. If you like it very sweet, you could add 3, you could add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, but today I just used 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. So our smoothie is ready. I'm just trying to pour it into the cup. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Then after pouring it into the cup, I put on the eyes. Oh my god, this looks so yummy already. Look at that. And it's ready to serve. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this channel a thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could, and hope to see you next time on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.